In the world of high-frequency trading, spoofing is a controversial practice that can distort prices. Let's look at how it works. Spoofing is the act of placing large buy or sell orders with no intention of actually executing them. The goal is to create a fake sense of supply or demand to trick other traders into moving the price. Once the market reacts to the fake order, the spoofer cancels it and trades on the opposite side to make a profit. While real traders place orders to be filled, spoofers place orders specifically to deceive, which is illegal under federal law. By flashing a massive volume of orders, the manipulator creates an artificial imbalance that forces the price to shift. Regulators use sophisticated algorithms to detect these patterns and penalize firms that engage in this manipulative behavior. Understanding market manipulation helps you stay aware of how prices move. Thanks for watching, and remember to trade carefully.